So we're going to be talking about ganglioside-related autoimmune antibody-mediated cross-reactivity and molecular mimicry producing neuro-ophthalmic syndromes. The prototype is the acute inflammatory demyelinating polyneuropathy, which is called Guillain-Barré syndrome. The Guillain-Barré syndrome is characterized by albuminocytologic dissociation, high protein, low CSF cell count, ataxia, areflexia, and an ascending polyneuropathy with a negative MRI scan. So that eponym is Guillain-Barré. When you have the ophthalmoplegia with that, we call that the Miller-Fisher variant of Guillain-Barré. And you should know that there's a spectrum of the peripheral nervous system version to the central nervous system version of these ganglioside-related autoimmune antibody attacks. So in the PNS version, that is Guillain-Barré syndrome. And once you start getting ophthalmoplegia, that is Miller-Fisher variant. And if you get the brainstem version with an encephalitis or brainstem symptoms and signs, that is called Bickerstaff. And you can have just the eye finding, no Guillain-Barré syndrome, and no Guillain-Barré plus ophthalmoplegia. This has no name. So these are all ganglioside related. The no name, eye only, ophthalmoplegia. The Guillain-Barré syndrome, the acute inflammatory demyelinating polyneuropathy. The ophthalmoplegia in the Guillain-Barré syndrome, the Miller-Fisher variant, and the central nervous system variant, Bickerstaff's brainstem encephalitis. All of these are anti-ganglioside from molecular mimicry with gangliosides on the surface of infectious organisms, most prominently Campylobacter jejuni. So it's a post-infectious, inflammatory, autoimmune, antibody-mediated attack ranging from peripheral nervous system all the way to central nervous system, a spectrum of ganglioside antibody disorders that includes the eponyms Guillain-Barré, Miller-Fisher, and Bickerstaff.